Good morning. Well, it might not be morning for you, but it's morning for me. So good morning. How are you doing today? I'm waiting for you to let me know below in the comments. Anyway, I'm so glad that you're here. Today I'm starting off in my bathroom. Just need to clean off the countertops. They're dusty. It's not like early, but I've been kind of like lounging around today. So I just got out of the shower, got dressed, and I'm like, homegirl, clean your carpet, okay? It needs clean. What are you waiting for? Come along for the ride, relax, enjoy the music, and Kim being crazy as she always is. Welcome to my fall home management reset for the weekend. So there was this random fly in my bathroom. A fly and I got into a fight, okay? I'll say I won, but it was like a 5-minute fight. Who gets into a 5-minute fight with a fly? Kim, that too. So anyway, let me show you exactly what happened. That. And actually it was worse than this, but Kari decided she wanted to clean it up. And I'm like, girl, I will get it. But anyway, yeah, that's what happened. I digress. Gotta go downstairs and get the vacuum. My husband's not here to bring it upstairs, so hopefully I won't be struggling bringing up the stairs. It would not be a Kim at home video if I did not have to clean out this vacuum, because my daughter has a bunch of hair and it's always clogging up the vacuum. Listen, homegirl about to buy me a new vacuum or something, because this is like annoying. She's only 12. She's nice and clean now. Now that that's cleaned out, it's time to work on these carpets. Ooh, look at them vacuum lines, girl. All right, as you can see, there is a max level, and then they want you to put the formula in. This is what I will be using. However, it's nothing more than just a little bit of the antibacterial as well as some vinegar. Let me tell you a little secret in case you are new here. I love to clean with vinegar for many reasons. It is so beneficial. If you don't believe me, just Google it. Google knows everything. At least that's what my dad told me. You'll have to let me know below in the comments how often you clean your carpet. I'm just going to keep it real with you because that's just what I like to do. I don't clean mine enough. You will be able to see here soon. Looking good. One thing I wanted to show you guys, I know I reviewed this like a long time ago. However, this thing is the bomb because it has a spot squirter thingamajigger. Here, let me turn it around so you can see. And that thing really works well. Don't have much water left in here, but I am going to do my hallway. That should be enough to do the hallway. Before I do anything though, I gotta get these baseboards together. Ooh, that was dusty. And then my accent wall had a bunch of spider webs all over it, so I had to handle that as well. Call me, baby, yeah. I hear the calling. I hear the calling.
Sunrise is 4 a.m. You see, get in the car, we can run away. I hardly even knew you, but I knew that I can't lose you. For 1 or 2, maybe 3 years, I've been feeling nothing.
word. I knew it was dirty, but this is muddy. Like really, really, really muddy. Now that is what I call a dirty, 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 disgusting carpet. Looking back on it now, it was definitely pleasing to see the carpets get clean. Like I said, they really, really needed Jesus, a healing, a miracle, and a prayer. You know what I mean? So I had to just work that out. Now it is the next day. We just came from the grocery store, several grocery stores, and I'm gonna do a really short haul for you. Chicken was leaking, so it's in the sink. These are chicken wings. We went to several stores because everything is so expensive. Kim was trying to bargain shop, you feel me? Okay, so we have some soda pop, whatever you wanna call it. It's ginger ale. We have some lamb Dove. I wanted to try this because I tried the pizza sauce and it was amazing. Soap for the girls' bathroom. These cookies are the bomb. We have, of course, pasta, raisins, Takis, roast, bratwurst. We also have pineapple and ground turkey. Got some socks from the Dollar Tree. Y'all know I love me some fuzzy socks. Got some pretzels in containers and foil. That is much needed. This is an entire chicken that I didn't want to take out. Odo Band. Free pumpkin because we spent more than $75 from Eagle Giant. This we got from K. Roger, which is Kroger, $7.99 or $6.99, something like that. Ground turkey, we got some shrimp, some fish, different kinds of salmon, blackened salmon, and also the orange salmon. Potatoes, raisins, I think I said all of that. Fontina cheese, I love Fontina cheese. Dollar Tree, what is it, edge control? Edge control for the hair, leave-in conditioner. Now we're gonna work on putting things away. It may seem like chaotic, but it really isn't. We all have a job. My husband's job is to organize. My job is to put things away in the pantry so don't nobody mess my pantry up. You know, everyone has a job. There's a song by Strawberry Shortcake that I used to sing to my daycare kids called Work Together. Let me know if you remember Strawberry Shortcake. I broke the ice tray. So anytime you put the ice tray in here, it obviously leaks. I'm gonna order one because it's Amazon Prime Day tomorrow. This, my friends, is how you organize. I don't organize, my husband is the organizer. Karia organizes too. We are definitely freezer people food. We don't have a lot in the refrigerator unless it's like fresh fruits, that sort of thing. But we are definitely freezer people, which is why my refrigerator is the way that it is. I did have someone ask me why my refrigerator was like, not cheap, but what did they say? Why do I have a refrigerator like this is what they said. Not a side-by-side. And she also asked me about my stove and why I have those types of coils for my stove. Well, because that's what I want. That's what I wanted. That's what I bought. You don't really have to buy a high-class stove or refrigerator. You just need to buy something that works and that works for you specifically because it's your home. So no, I'm not offended that she said that, but at the end of the day, it's my house and it works. Your girl cooks from it and we use it obviously and it works well. I know some of you remember the conversation about being your own superstar, and since I feel like I am my own superstar, what the enemy meant for bad to hurt my feelings didn't hurt my feelings. It just made me think, you know what, Lord, I'm so grateful for what I have. I'm grateful for my stove and my refrigerator, even if it's cheap, because guess what, it works. And if you are faithful over a few things, God will make you ruler over many. So no matter what your space looks like, even if you may think it's not good enough for what your, standards are, just be thankful that you have it because you could have nothing. Which brings me to the point of, have you been saying your affirmations? Because again, if I were not thinking I was not a superstar, I would think in that comment that she made to me, I would think I wasn't enough, right? So now I'm walking around like, Lord, I am enough. Thank you for making me enough. Thank you for making me fearfully and wonderfully made. Thank you, thank you, thank you. That's all bad. Let's just stuff it up there somewhere. All of my cabinets are a hot mess. All of them. Those days that I can cook lunch and dinner simultaneously, I'm winning, okay? I am winning, and it's only 11:36. Shout out to my mom who was helping me get the grease off of all of the meat and all that great stuff. I just love my mom. She is amazing. She definitely cheers us on, my sister and I. She's our biggest fan, and we just love her so much. My sister is extremely successful, and yeah, I'm just thankful to have the mom that I have. Leave some beautiful flowers in the comments below for my mom, because she the bomb, okay? She really is. So there's what the pizza sauce looks like, and then the marinara sauce that I used today. I absolutely love the pizza sauce. The marinara sauce is okay. I like my own homemade marinara sauce better. It's just been a really, really long time since I've been able to make it because it takes like 8 hours. So would I buy it again? Maybe. I would definitely buy the pizza sauce again. Did you like it? But he said that he liked it. I don't know why he be acting camera shy. I'm trying to pimp him out. I need more traffic on this channel, okay? It's good. Maybe I'm the only one who doesn't really care for the sauce. Oh, that's cute. What's her name? Oh, his name. What's his name? Jackie. Hey, Jackie. Let me zoom in so y'all can see Jackie a little bit better. Jackie is too cute. You did a good job. Here is an update of what it's looking like in here, and let's check the food. That smells amazing. So what I didn't do earlier is add garlic, because I always like to, you know, kind of let it cook, get all the seasonings and flavors together, and then taste it when it's like halfway done. Just removing some of the fat off of here. I mean, most of us don't like fat, right? Some people do, but like this kind of fat ain't good. Like this. Look how big this piece of fat is. Like, we don't want that. You know what I'm saying? I need to get this sink clean. However, I want to make some potatoes, mashed potatoes, so I gotta fill this up with some water first. I'm gonna start cutting those up and get those put on so that we can make those. And for the vegetable, we've been eating a lot of salad, but we'll probably have broccoli. We always have broccoli. I love broccoli. They might have like asparagus, but Kim's gonna have broccoli. 3-pound bag of broccoli. I have tried to say that 4 times. 3 pounds of broccoli for $6.99. Can't beat that. I have this quote that I want to share with you. Life consists not in holding good cards, but in playing those you hold well. What exactly are you bringing to the forefront? What are you bringing into the life that you're living right now? Are you bringing joy and peace and happiness, or are you bringing friction and drama? Be sure to always self-reflect and make sure that you're bringing something to the table for everyone. We all need love, we all need kindness, we all need healing, so why not start doing it like right now? It makes you feel better on the inside anyway. It makes you a better person. I really enjoy seeing people going on their healing journey because it's just the ultimate glow up, and it just makes me so excited. So if you are not excited that somebody else is winning, you definitely need to self-reflect. I would like to point out that I cleaned out my sink first, and then I poured the stuff in it because it's just really important to keep your sink clean. There's like all kinds of germs and all kinds of bacteria, that sort of thing. So if you're gonna put food in your sink, always clean it out first. This was on sale for $2.99 at K. Roger, aka Kroger. So your girl got the name brand. Land O'Lakes butter is the bomb too. My baby, might let you take me back. When I tell you that I cannot take it anymore, oh my gosh, this thing has got to come off. It's horrible. You've been so patient. Oh, I kept you waiting. If this would have stuck on there like this, it would have been great. But this thing kept falling off and it was annoying me. My husband got himself a sample before he leaves to go umpire. Good stuff, huh? Ain't it good? Ain't it good? Mm-hmm. If you was brave enough, you slap me, right? Slap your wife is so good. Last thing that we are going to make today is apple crumble. Always have a trash bag near you, that definitely helps. Just peel the skin. I don't want the skin on my apple crumble. Always be sure to cook and clean at the same time. It makes things so much easier. Work smart, not hard. We're going to place these into this frying pan. I'm gonna put lots of butter. Don't be judging me about the butter that I use, because I use a lot. For this, it's really simple. You're gonna need some salt. I love to use cinnamon, but I also put a little bit of apple pie seasoning in there that has like all the goodness in there, but the cinnamon, y'all, that's what turns it up, okay? Gonna add some brown sugar to this. I actually like brown sugar better than white sugar. We're going for some fall morning vibes. It smells like a fall morning in here. It smells really fragrant. You're just gonna let this simmer, you know, just a little bit, let it caramelize, let it get real pretty. And while that is making, we have it on low, we're going to make the crust for it. Now, I do not measure anything, so I cannot even tell you what this recipe is. Then we want to mix this together. I'm gonna add some cinnamon, and I'm also going to add more butter. We have our apples down. Now we just want to sprinkle the crumble on top of the apples. The oven on 400 for about 20 minutes. I hope you enjoyed today's home management fall vibes clean and cook with me. One of my passions is just making my house a home, making it comfortable, and just in that, you know, making sure I get my eat on. You know what I mean? This is just for the hallway, so imagine what the kitchen is looking like right about now.
I wanna be the life of the party. I wanna dance with somebody. Be ooh, 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 ooh. I wanna be the life of the party. I wanna hold on to somebody. Be ooh, 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 ooh.
That is your sneak peek. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. I know I've said it 1,000 times, but stay till the end so that you can see what the meal looks like. This bathroom just needs a really quick speed clean.
But everything's
just when I thought I was gonna clean my bathroom, this beautiful girl comes downstairs with all this beautiful hair. That's my 22-year-old, everyone. Isn't she just beautiful? Oh my gosh, I freaking love that girl. Feeling good about life. Got everything reset in my living room. I didn't have to wipe anything down because I had already been wiping down because, you know, sickness was flowing through the house. But check out these vacuum lines. Oh, I love the vacuum lines. But everything in here looks amazing. Karia put Jack over there for now, and then we'll put Jack on the porch. And the kitchen was reset too. The only thing that needs to be done are the floors. They need to be mopped, but I will mop them later on this week. But yeah, everything looks really, really good. Especially this. That is the apple crumble. I'm eating broccoli. The rest of the family is having asparagus because I could literally eat broccoli every day. But oh my word, this right here